Guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make login on Webflow. Let's get started. First, go to webflow.com. Then, click on Login. Here, you can either sign in with Google or enter your email and password manually. After logging in, you will be directed to your Webflow dashboard. Here, you will see all your sites listed. Click on the site that you want. Click Open in Webflow. Then, wait for it to load. And on the left side of the screen, click on the plus icon Add Elements. Scroll down and look for the Form Blocks section, then click on it. After adding the form block to your page, you can now make your login section. You can customize it. Just click on the Settings icon. You can put username and password or whatever you want. And after that, don't forget to click on the preview button to see the site before saving it. And that's it. You now have a login section on your site. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.